Hey there friends, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm excited to show you how to effortlessly ask ChatGPT for math calculations and equations. Ever needed a quick math solution? ChatGPT has got you covered. Start by framing your math question in a simple way. Like for example, let's ask ChatGPT now, can you can you solve 24 multiplied by 5? So let's ask ChatGPT nicely and be sure to be specific and be clear to get accurate results. So once you've asked, ChatGPT will swiftly process your request and provide you with the answer you're looking for. You can ask for arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. For example, what's the square root of 144? Ask ChatGPT. See, ChatGPT will give you an answer right away. So let's try division. Let's ask ChatGPT, can you help me with 18 divided by 3? Very easy, right? And that's it. You've just unlocked the skill of asking ChatGPT for math calculations and equations, making even the trickiest problems easy to solve. Thank you for learning with me today. I hope you now feel confident using ChatGPT to tackle math challenges. Remember, it's all about making your learning journey enjoyable and efficient. Once again, thank you for watching how to ask ChatGPT for math calculations or equations. I can't wait to connect with you in the next video, so stay curious and keep exploring.